So, you know, you can get a huge packet of drumsticks for like $4 or $5. So not only is this meal delicious, it's really cost economically great. I'm sure that's not the way you're supposed to say it, but you know who you're dealing with, right? Me. Okay, anyway. I'm going to show you.
Alright guys, getting right into this week's video, but first, if you missed my last video for this quick and easy monkey bread, you know what to do. Watch this one and then go back and check it out. Because this week, I'm showing you my quick and easy version of my jerk chicken. I said quick and easy. You'll see. Hold tight for this video. Alright. Guys, if you only knew what happens back on this camera, you'd be like, whatever. Anyway, hi guys, and welcome back to What Adrianne Thinks. It's me, Adrianne. Today, I'm going to show you how I'm making some jerk chicken, and I'm using drumsticks. Guys, you're not going to want to miss this one. Hang on and see what I'm doing in here. Quick and easy, quick and easy. Okay, I'll point you there. Okay guys, so I have our chicken drumsticks here. I'm going to start adding some seasoning. Once I'm ready to smush them all together, I'll get some gloves on. So I have a jalapeno here. Now I can say, now if you want to do this jerk seasoning and you want to put it in your blender, you can do that too. I'm just showing you this way, just to be a little quick and easy. So this is one jalapeno. I have removed the seeds from it. And there might be some stragglers left in there, but most of the seeds are out. But this can certainly be made ahead of time, giving it some time to marinate and so forth. So jalapenos, as you know, are not too spicy, so not too much is going to happen with that. So I have a little extra virgin olive oil. It's going to give each piece a little love. A little olive oil. EVE, what is it? EVOO? EVOO love. All right. I have some lemons on the side here, and I've already gave them a nice roll. Kind of break that up and get some more juice out of this lemon. Any seeds pop out, don't worry, we can get them. Not gonna do anything to you. Right? So, you know, jerk chicken, one of those things that we love. My son Dylan, actually, when we order from different Caribbean or Jamaican restaurants, he always, there's one particular restaurant, he loves their jerk chicken. And he gets it, the same thing. He likes it with the rice and peas and some jerk, what's he get, Inga? The oxtail gravy on the side. So he really enjoys that dish. So kind of making it for him. See if he likes his mama's too. So we'll see. I'll let you know. All right. So ooh, that lemon is super juicy. All right, so now we have our olive oil. Got the juice of a lemon and a half. I'm not going to add the other half unless I need it. And I also have on the side, I have some parsley. So you want to get some of that on. I have some onion. It's just some white onion. And you can use a sweeter onion if you like too. But the white onion is fine. Even a red to give it some color. A little pizzazz there. And this is just some red bell pepper. Okay. Some red bell pepper. And here I have some scallions, green onions. And I'm just going to chop that real big like. Just like that. I'm using some of the top and some of the bottom. I don't know if you can see them all jumping ship, but they don't want to get cooked, but they're going to get ate today. How about that? Okay guys, so this is the base of our seasoning. I'm going to get my gloves on and then we'll start seasoning. So I'll be back. First, I'm going to start off with a little granulated chicken bouillon. You can use any brand you like, but I like this brand from Knorr. And you want to give each piece a little love of that. Kind of help bring out that chicken flavor. Adding a little ground black pepper. You want to try to get some on each piece. Got some in the middle there. A little garlic powder. Using a little Prudhomme salt-free seasoning. Give it a little kick there. I don't have the patience, so if you see me open up a cap or something like that, I'm just impatient. Okay. And as you see, anytime I'm using something that's salt-free, I kind of season well. Okay. Going with a little ginger. This is ground ginger. And again, you can take your olive oil, your lemon, and all these seasoning with your greens, your onions and your peppers, your parsley, your green onion. You can blitz that up and you can make a little rub to go right on top. That would be amazing too. Quick and easy is where it's at today. I'm using a little garden vegetable seasoning. Using a little Sazon tropical. After all, this is jerk chicken. Caribbean is my take on it. And I'm going in with our Jamaican jerk seasoning. And let me just tell you what's in here before I sprinkle it on. So it has, the spices are allspice, red pepper, ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, crushed red pepper, and cloves, garlic, onion, and a little sugar. So that's what's making up this jerk seasoning. So I want to get that on. All right. Oh, that smells good. It really smells good. So I'm going to get to zhuzhing all these up and get them all mixed. Get our seasoning going. And then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back again. Can you show that to the camera? I forgot something important here. I forgot the thyme. So I'm just adding a little dried thyme to our chicken. That's good, Ing. Thank you. And I'm adding a little Mrs. Dash. Yeah. She's on the side of the camera, so she can't really see where she's aiming. All right, so we're giving this a little, you can add a little more. All right, this is good. All right, so I'm getting back, finishing. I'll be back. All right, so these are all seasoned. I'm going to just go in with a little more of our Jamaican jerk seasoning, just right on top. Just to give a little more of that flavor, bringing out some of that umami flavor that we love. Right on the tongue there. Okay, so these are going to go in about 350 degrees, uncovered. I will let you know exactly how long it takes for them to cook. I'm roughly saying about 35 to 45 minutes, but I will let you know exactly the time. So going in the oven, uncovered, 350. All right, guys, the jerk chicken is done. Look how delicious. You know what's next. The taste. Delicious. Look at this. Jerk chicken. Had a little avocado and some tomato on the side. Look at that chicken, guys. Taste. So good. So good. Really good. Let me try this rice. That's really good. If you're not a subscriber, guys, make sure you subscribe. I mean, what you waiting on? If you haven't told any of your friends and family and neighbors about what Adrianne thinks, you know, head on over to YouTube and like this video. Like my other videos too while you're at it. Okay. Jerk chicken, out.